This video will guide you through the steps of creating an assignment in OWLv2. If you have created your course using a Cengage provided template course, assignments have already been created for you and all you need to do is review, edit, and assign them. However, should you wish to create additional assignments, or if you did not create your course using one of our templates, you will need to follow the steps in this video. Click on the Assignments tab, and then click on the blue Create Assignment button on the right. Notice that you are provided with a variety of different assignment types. To learn more about these, please see our video on OWLv2 assignment types, or refer to the Quick Start Guide where you can find a detailed description of the available assignment content. Today we will create an EOC or End of Chapter assignment. So we will select Activities, Problems, and/or EOCs, and then click on the blue Continue button. The first thing you need to do is give your assignment a name. We will call ours Chapter 1 Homework. Next, indicate the available date and due date and time the assignment is due. The default is midnight, but many students complete homework in the early morning hours, so you may want to make 8 AM your due date. Your students will thank you. Notice that you can also assign a late penalty percentage that will be applied automatically should you wish to do so. Finally, you can check off Allow students to use this assignment for practice, either after the unavailable date or their last submission, so that students can use the assignment to study for exams or for additional practice. When you are finished, click the blue Continue button, which will open the Choose Content Source page. Click on the plus sign in front of your textbook name, and you will see the chapters of your book listed. Since we are creating an assignment from Chapter 1, we will click on the plus sign in front of Chapter 1, and all the sections for Chapter 1 will be listed. If there are sections from this chapter that you do not cover, you can select each section individually, or you can simply select End of Chapter questions, which we will do. You can filter for difficulty, gradability, question type, or whether you wish to include both algorithmic or non-algorithmic generated questions. Click the blue Continue button. Next, you will be asked to select the questions you wish to include. You can click on each individual question, which will highlight it, and present a preview of the question. Notice that the numbering of the questions matches the question numbers of the end of chapter questions in your book, so you can also look at your book as you select questions. Any question highlighted can be added to the assignment by clicking on the blue Include Selected button in the center. When you have finished with your question selection, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the blue Continue button. The next page that opens is the Assignment Options page. Here you can change the scoring, the number of attempts, the resources, and the feedback. You can save your assignment options as a new set to use for future assignments by clicking on the blue Save as New Set button and giving your set a name. When you are finished making your changes, click on the blue Save Changes button. You can now preview your assignment as a student by clicking on the Preview as a Student blue link. Follow these steps to create whatever assignments you need to support your teaching and to promote student learning in your course. Thank you for completing this video training for OWLv2. For additional help or resources, please visit our training and support sites or join the higher ed community to engage with your peers.